In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location with Firefox VPN. First, open Firefox and look for the Firefox VPN icon in the toolbar. This icon usually resembles a shield or a lock, indicating that the VPN is ready for use. By clicking on this icon, you initiate the process of changing your location. This step is crucial because it allows you to access content that may be restricted in your current geographic area. Once you've clicked the icon, you will see a menu appear, which helps you navigate the next steps smoothly. Next, click on Select Location. This option is typically located within the drop-down menu that opens after you click the VPN icon. Selecting a location is vital for altering your IP address. Your IP address is what websites and services use to determine your location. By changing it, you can browse the internet as if you are in a different country or city. This can enhance your online privacy and allow access to content that may otherwise be unavailable to you. From there, you will see options to choose recommended or all servers. The recommended option typically highlights the best servers based on performance and speed. On the other hand, selecting all servers provides you with a complete list of available locations. This flexibility is essential because it allows you to choose not only the fastest connection but also the specific geographic area you want to appear from. Now, select the country or city you want to use. This is where the magic happens. You will see a list of available locations, and you can scroll through them to find your desired spot. Choosing the right location is important for accessing specific content such as streaming services that may differ from one country to another. Once you've made your choice, the VPN will work to connect through that location. You will see a notification confirming the connection, ensuring that your new settings are active. Now let's explore how to set a different location for a specific website. First, open the website in Firefox that you want to use with a separate location. This action is straightforward and allows you to customize your browsing experience further. The ability to set a location for specific websites is beneficial for users who regularly access content that is location-dependent. This feature adds a layer of convenience and personalizes your internet usage. Next, click the Firefox VPN icon again, just like before. This will bring up the VPN menu, which now has additional options tailored for site-specific settings. Clicking the icon again ensures that you are ready to select a unique location specifically for the site you are viewing. This minimizes the hassle of reselecting your location each time you visit the site, streamlining your online experience. After that, click the arrow under Select Site Location. This arrow will expand the menu further, allowing you to search for and select a country or city. The ability to select a location specifically for a website means you can enjoy localized content without changing your entire VPN setting. This step enhances your browsing efficiency and ensures that you can access content relevant to the website you are viewing. Finally, once you have chosen the country or city, Firefox will remember that location for that website and display the country's flag in the address bar. This flag serves as a visual confirmation that your selected location is active for that specific site. This is a reassuring feature as it provides constant feedback about your current settings. Remember, the newer built-in Firefox VPN with location selection is currently available only in some countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and Canada. This limitation is essential to keep in mind as you navigate and utilize your VPN efficiently.